Hey guys, thank you for joining us again at Car System Installation. Today we're going to show you the Blackvue DR750 installed on a Mercedes C-Class 2018. We're also going to show you the Blackvue new battery, the B-124, which is the Ultra battery. So for the dash cam, first thing we see is we have the rear camera installed in the back here. The front camera is installed just under here. And now we're going to show you some functions on the battery pack. So the battery pack, first thing when you go to the battery pack, you press scan. It will show you the battery option. I'm going to go into the battery. Now we are connecting to the battery, and it gives us some information. So we have, first of all, that the battery is 98% full. The temperature of the battery is 28 Celsius. The battery is in discharging mode, which means right now the battery is not getting any power to charge, so it's getting drained by the dash cam. Next thing we see on the DC in, which is telling us how much the battery is getting charged. Obviously it's at 0. Output, how much the battery is giving out, 13.1 volt at 0.3 amp. Capacity of the battery, how much time remains before the battery is fully charged. So again, the battery right now, the car is off, so we don't see any indication of how long before it's gonna be finishing the charging, because it does not get in charge. And the usage time remaining. So based on the activity that the system has right now, which means the cameras are working, this is how much time approximately before the battery will be drained fully. Now we're going to turn the ignition on. So we turn the vehicle on. In a few seconds we're going to have an information. First of all, we can see the DC in changed to 12 volt and 9 amp. We see the light change to orange to show us the battery is charging. On the top we have the information showing that the battery is charging. Low voltage warning, which means the vehicle is on low voltage because it's not running, it's just a key on. And it shows us how much charging time remaining before the battery is full. It gives us low voltage on the vehicle because the vehicle is not fully on. I'm going to turn the ignition off, and the system will turn off. As we can see, it went back to blue circle. Stay charging. Does not get any charge anymore from the vehicle. The battery pack, the Power Magic Ultra, and other Blackvue products are available at Car System Installation. Subscribe to our channel, and we'll see you next time. Have a good day.